In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Snowflake using Snowsight. This process is straightforward, but requires attention to ensure you are deleting the correct table. Let's walk through each step together to make this process as clear as possible. First, you'll want to log in to your Snowsight account. Once you're signed in, it's crucial to verify that you're in the correct database and schema. This step is important because each database and schema can contain different tables, and you want to ensure that changes are made to the intended environment. Take a moment to double-check this to avoid any unintended deletions. Once you're sure you're in the right place, look towards the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu where you can access different parts of your account. You'll need to click on the option labeled Data. This will take you to an area where all your tables are listed, organized under their respective schemas. Next, browse through your tables within the selected schema to find the specific table you wish to delete. Depending on how many tables you have, this may take a bit of scrolling, but it's important to ensure you have the correct table in your sites. Double-check the table name to avoid any accidental data loss. After you've located the table you want to delete, look for the icon that resembles three dots, also known as an ellipsis. It should be right next to the table name. Click on these three dots, and a small menu should pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled either Drop or Delete. The wording can vary. This is the option that allows you to remove the table completely, so go ahead and click it. At this point, a confirmation pop-up message will appear on your screen. This is the final step, and it's your last chance to make sure you're deleting the correct table. The pop-up is there as a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to confirm all details are correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, click the Drop button within the pop-up to permanently delete the table. Remember, once you click this, the action cannot be undone, and the table will be permanently removed from your database. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a table in Snowflake using Snowsight. Make sure to repeat these steps whenever you need to clean up your database by removing old or unnecessary tables. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.